Within the realm of large language models, a prompt signifies the input provided by users or programmers to elicit a specific response from the LLM. A prompt establishes the context, whether it takes the form of a sentence, a question, or any textual input. It offers instructions that guide the GPT model in generating a relevant and meaningful output. For example, here's a prompt: write a story on a traveling computer programmer. The beauty of a prompt is that it's natural language, literally how we speak in real life, which is way better than what we use when we were coding, and even when we were asking questions or queries in Google. A prompt bridges the gap between human intention and machine generated responses. But the thing is that crafting effective prompts is pivotal in ensuring that an LLM produces accurate and valuable responses. For example, this is a good prompt, write about technology. However, this is better, best, way better. Write an engaging blog post about the impact of artificial intelligence on everyday life, highlighting both its benefits and potential concerns. You couldn't explain it better in a different way. This is a great prompt. It is effective because it's specific and provides more context to the LLM. It tells it to write about a specific topic, artificial intelligence, and to adopt an engaging tone. It also tells the LLM to include information about the benefits and potential concerns, which is quite good. Let's keep moving forward so that I can show you how to craft effective prompts.